Hi, welcome to the Listernaut usage demo. Step 1, from Listernaut.com, we're going to click on Login. Once we're logged in, we're going to see these tabs up at the top right. Receive products is where we go to list our products. Item pricing tool allows you to quickly scan an item's UPC and pull in the data, such as follows. It'll pull in the prices online. If you're using it for a retail situation, that's a handy tool. View Catalog houses all of your listings in the cloud. As you create them, they're saved to the catalog. You can remove or archive them from there if you do not want to back them up. Manage Pods is where you're going to create your folders that you're going to list to, and those are going to be allocated based on where you want to launch your products, or you could use them to organize in any manner you see fit. Under My Account, we're going to go in here. We're going to be able to see users. We can limit the permission of the users if we'd like to. We can add consigners to our system. You can apply docking stations if you're wanting to launch to multiple platforms such as Shopify or Hybid, Amazon, etc. Warehouse allows you to build out a warehouse that mimics what you have physically on your floor. So if you have shelves and locations, if you want to use inventory management, this is where you will add those locations and then utilize the inventory management feature. From here, we're going to go back to Manage Pods. So step 1, when we're creating our pod, to list to, we're going to add the pod. We're going to give it a name. We're going to save that pod. Then we're going to open it. You can apply your docking station here. So in this case, we're going to apply our AuctionFlex 360 pod. You could also launch directly to Shopify. This pod allows us to download a CSV with image file. So we're going to go through that process first. So once we've saved that, we're going to go to Receive Products to create our listings. The most important step to save the work that you've done, you want to make sure that you allocate where you're sending these listings. If there's a consigner, if there's a location, and you can allocate the condition in which the product is. From here, we can list one of two ways. The first way is with our UPC barcode scanner. You'll simply scan a UPC. You can also scan the ASIN for Amazon products. That's the number starting in a B. As you're scanning these products, we're creating a number of different details on it. First, if you are doing auctions, you can simply click this button to print your lot sticker. 2, what happens when you scan that UPC? We automatically create your lot number for you. Your title, condition comes over as you've set it, your UPC, a description on the product, stock photograph with background image removed, the retail price pulled from the internet. We allocate starting prices. If you're in the auction business, we use an algorithm to set those. You can customize those as well. Everything in this field page here is fully customizable. You can edit it at any time. You can change things. You can change your lot numbers if you'd like. And from there, you're able to do a number of things. You can also use AI to enhance your listing here at this button at the bottom right. If you're wanting to scan products in and then enhance those listings, you can do so. Now let's say you have products without UPCs or you don't know what they are, they're just standalone products. This button on the far right, this camera icon, if you click that icon on your phone or tablet, you can select File and take a picture. Since we're on a PC here, we're just going to download an image of a tractor, pull that in. You can add additional information to tighten your search, but in this case, we're just going to see what it does with just the image. As the image is running through the system, it's going to pull together some information. It's going to pull together your title. It's going to pull in a price. It's going to pull in a description. And it's also going to remove the background from the image that you upload. We can train this to pull in more photos for you if you'd like. What we're doing here is we're just taking one picture, pulling it in. You can take a number of pictures in this situation so that if you're using this for, cataloging coins or antiques, art, it will pull all the data in that the internet's able to provide. So you can see here that it's pulling in a title, the category, the description, a retail price, and you can edit your quantities here as you go. You hit create, and that falls in line with everything else here. So it's going to pull it in order of your lot number. It's going to automatically allocate all the details to the lot number, the images to the lot number. So all your cataloging is done by simply taking a picture or scanning a barcode. Hopefully that helps you to understand how the process works from here. Now we're done listing, and you might wonder, how do we get that out into our platforms? Simply go back to Manage Pods, go to your pod here. You'll see everything that you've listed down below. You'll see a total retail price of the things that you've listed for the day. Whether you have an API or not, the process is the same here. You'll select all. If you do have an API, it would say launch selected items to Shopify, for example. If you don't, and you're going to upload your CSV and image file, we'll click Export Selected Items here. And what that's doing in the background right now, it's downloading a CSV and an image file for us. So I'll show you what that looks like. We have our CSV that's exported with all the pertinent data to upload into any channel that you'd like. Most, if not all, e-commerce and auction platforms allow the CSV import. We also allocate all of your images to those lot numbers in order that you put them. So you simply upload your CSV, then upload these images. They sync together, so your cataloging is complete. From this point, all you do is upload your auction or upload your sheet to your e-commerce platform, and you're done. We can help you to turn your listing process into a streamlined operation where you can go from 10 listings an hour to hundreds of listings an hour with the simple use of Listernaut. Thank you for watching. Listernaut.